everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the paired stitch. It is a very squishy, simple stitch. It is great for sweaters and cuffs and things like that, scarves, hats, things to keep you warm. The best part about it, it is super simple to do and it also offers you a bit of texture. And the most wild part about it is it's completely made out of single crochet, so it is beginner friendly. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. Another awesome bit is that this is a 1-row repeat. So all you'll have to do is repeat row 2. To begin, we are going to chain. You can chain in any number you'd like, and then you're going to add an additional 1. So watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I'm going to add 1. So I have 13 chains here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a 2 single crochet together stitch across the second and third chain from my hook. So not the one that's on my hook, I don't count that. This first chain is 1. This is 2. I'm going to insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm not going to complete that single crochet. I'm going to insert my hook into that third chain over, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook now, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Just like that. Alright, now what we're going to do is start the repeat for row 1. So we are going to now make another single crochet together, but we're going to do it starting off into this last stitch we worked in. So we're going to come over here, insert our hook to that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and into the next stitch we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And we're going to do that all the way across our row. Alright, now I'm at the end of my row and I have 1 chain left and I have this stitch that I just worked into, so I'm going to make my last 2 single crochet together. Just like that. And then I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to single crochet 2 together in this first and second stitch. So I'm inserting my hook where my chain 1 is coming out of, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, and now I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, and to move on, I'm going to insert my hook into that same stitch I just worked into, yarn over, pull up a loop. Going to hit the next stitch, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, and I'm going to do that all the way across my row. and working in my last stitches here, pulling through all 3 loops on my hook. And that is row 2. And if you continue to repeat row 2 over and over, you'll eventually end up with a larger piece of fabric that will look like this. I will also say, depending on what yarn you use, the texture of this stitch will be more pronounced. So this is a Red Heart Super Saver, and you can see that the texture is very evident. So yarns like this that are stiffer will create a stiffer and more textured pattern, as opposed to a satiny yarn where things look a little bit more flat, suppressed. I also wanted to make mention that this pattern is reversible. So if you end up on the wrong side on accident, there is no wrong side. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future crochet content from me. I typically upload these tutorials on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST. It also helps out this channel by leaps and bounds and helps other crafties to see my content. If you want to see more from me, head over to my Instagram where I post whip pictures and also mini clip tutorials and updates regarding Infiniti Crafting Company. Thanks for watching with me today, and until next time guys, happy making! Hey there! If you like the way I teach here on YouTube and you are looking for new and interesting crochet and or knit patterns, then you will love my new members club where I am releasing all of my knit and crochet designs, the written instructions, as well as the premium video content directly into my blog space. Members have access to the ad-free patterns as well as the premium written tutorials, as well as exclusive releases that are not yet available to the public, and early releases. So if that sounds like a great deal to you, then head over to my website, hit the Hey Craftapreneur tab to learn more and sign up today. Thanks for supporting my content, and until next time guys, happy making!